Hello, this is Nihara Dyuti. I started Dyuti Healthcare Private Limited as a startup with Ayurvedic concept. I am trying to explain about Ayurveda. Ayurveda is 5000 years old ancient Indian medical science. Ayurveda is also called as mother of all healings. Ayurveda is derived from Sanskrit language. Ayur means life and Veda means knowledge or science. Thus Ayurveda is knowledge or science of life. The goal of Ayurveda is to cleanse the body and to restore balance to the body, mind, and spirit. Indian physicians. The great three authors of Ayurvedic texts are Charaka, Sushruta, Vagbhatta. The minor three authors are Sharangadhara, Bhavamishra, Madhava. In the Sushruta Samhita presents the field of Ayurvedic surgery, that is Shalya. In Sushruta Samhita, Sushruta wrote that Dhanvantari, Hindu god of Ayurveda, incarnated himself as the king of Varnashi and taught medicine to a group of physicians including Sushruta. Charaka Samhita presents most of the theoretical edific of Ayurveda and concentrates on the branch of Ayurveda called Kaya Chikitsa, that is internal medicine. Ayurveda therapies have varied and evolved around more than 2 millennia. Yashmin desehi yo jata tajam tad aushadam hitam. This is said by Charaka. It means that the best medicine for people living in any particular country is the one that grows in the country only. By following this dictum of Charaka, all the physicians as well as the people born in India would do very well if they select or choose their drugs as far as possible from the locality in which they live, since the local environment, habit, diet, geographical and climatic factors play a positive role in the treatment. Let us live with the plants and grow with green trees. Even in most advanced countries like USA, the demand and sales of green drugs in the name of herbals and health supplements have reached Himalayan heights. The goodness in every layer of green herbs is creating waves across the globe. The working concepts of Ayurveda are Panchabhutas, Tridoshas, Saptadhatus, Malatrayas, etc. Panchabhutas are Prithvi, Jal, Agni, Vayu, Akash. Tridoshas are Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Saptadhatus are Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Asti, Majja, Shukra. Pulse diagnosis and urine analysis also form the distinctive feature of Ayurveda. Benefits of using Ayurveda. Ayurveda is preventive, protective, health promotive, and curative in nature. Ayurveda is nature's gift to the suffering mankind. It is not man made but believed to be divine's gift. The holistic health concepts do not try to fix the body but instead help supercharge the body's inbuilt healing capacity. Modern medicines approach in antibiotic while alternative medicines deal in a probiotic way. What is antibiotic and what is probiotic? Antibiotic are the medicines that inhibit the growth or kills the bacteria causing microbes by blocking the pathway for bacterial synthesis but does not affect its own pathway. Probiotic or the live microorganisms promoted with claims that they provide health benefits when consumed, generally by improving or restoring the gut flora. In Ayurveda, they may use any part of the plant and its combinations like roots, stems, leaves, flower, fruits, vegetables, etc. And a combination of one or more plants depending upon the severity of the disease. Herbal remedies are self-contained, nutritive rendering, harmless and non-toxic. Patya, the food drug interaction. The food drug and drug drug interactions are well known to our ancient physicians. That's why certain foodstuffs, ring, racema, etc. are prohibited during the treatment. This food drug theory is known as Patya Apatya in Ayurveda, which means that when a patient is put on a particular drug racema, he has to totally avoid certain foodstuff. For instance, Ayurveda restricts intake of tamarind with mineral preparations. Since tamarind contains tannins and tartaric acid, which will reduce the absorption of minerals. Why I have chosen Ayurveda? We are suffering from diseases now and then and looking for modern medicines in allopathy. Allopathy is a way of treatment using chemical combinations. Most of the allopathic medicines are associated with some side effects. The pill given to treat a disease cures the particular disease but might give birth to another disease in the body. These side effects can be internal or external. For example, if you use painkillers, you will get relief from pain, but as bonus, you will get hyperacidity as an immediate side effect. And prolonged use of painkillers will give nephrotoxicity, that is, kidney damage. Whereas the alternative system of medicines, that is Ayurveda, will treat from the root cause. So what I mean to say is, by promoting Ayurveda, I am offering at least certain combinations to health issues like hair problems, pain management, psoriasis, weight management, cough management, immunity boosters, and to treat hyperacidity. Jyoti Healthcare has 15 products to treat the above ailments. We manufacture our drugs with utmost care to give best results. I may not serve to all, but at least to some with my combinations. Thank you.